Are you ready to discover the latest and the greatest luggage on the market? Well, you are in the right place. Here we present the latest and the best luggage of all time. If you like the products and want to buy them, then go to the description box where the links of the products are given. Product 1. Product name Samsonite Luggage. Samsonite is a well-known and respected brand in the luggage industry, recognized for its durable and innovative products. The Samsonite Freeform Hardside Expandable with Double Spinner Wheels, Carry-On 21-inch, black, is a testament to the brand's commitment to quality and design. Design and build. This carry-on luggage features a sleek and modern design, suitable for both business and leisure travel. Its hardside construction is made from a durable and lightweight material that provides excellent protection for your belongings while keeping the overall weight of the luggage low. Size and capacity. The 21-inch size makes it ideal for overhead compartments in most airlines, ensuring it meets the carry-on size restrictions. Additionally, the expandable feature allows for increased packing capacity, accommodating extra items without compromising on space or convenience. Mobility and convenience. One of the standout features of this luggage, Product 2. Product name Swissgear Shaun Roller Luggage. The Swissgear Shaun Softside Carry-On 21-inch expandable roller luggage is a versatile and reliable travel companion designed for efficiency and convenience. This carry-on is particularly suitable for users who are interested in durable and practical household items. It features a lightweight yet robust construction, making it easy to maneuver through busy airports and travel hubs. Key features. Expandable capacity. This luggage can expand to provide extra packing space, accommodating last-minute items or souvenirs picked up during travel. Soft side design. Made from high-quality polyester fabric, it is resistant to wear and tear while maintaining flexibility to fit into tight overhead compartments. Easy maneuverability. Equipped with 360-degree multi-directional spinner wheels, it allows smooth and effortless navigation through crowded spaces. Organized packing. The interior includes multiple pockets and tie-down straps to keep belongings organized and secure. A removable wet bag is included for toiletries or damp items. Product 3. Product name Luggage Carry-On Luggage. The Luggage Carry-On Luggage is a premium travel accessory designed to meet the needs of modern travelers. Measuring 22 by 14 by 9 inches, this suitcase is airline approved, ensuring it fits comfortably in the overhead compartments of most major airlines. With a capacity of 35 liters, it offers ample space for short trips or as a complimentary piece for longer journeys. Key features. Durable construction. Polycarbonate hardshell provides superior durability and impact resistance, protecting your belongings from the rigors of travel. Expandable design. Offers additional packing space, allowing flexibility for those who might need a bit more room on their return trip. Ease of mobility. Spinner wheels. Equipped with 360-degree spinner wheels, the luggage glides smoothly in any direction, making navigation through crowded airports and narrow aisles effortless. Telescopic handle. Features an adjustable handle that locks into place for comfortable handling and maneuverability. Product 4. Product name Luggage Carry-On Luggage with Front Pocket. The Luggage Carry-On Luggage with Front Pocket is a versatile travel accessory that aligns well with your interest in practical and innovative household tools and appliances. This suitcase is designed to offer convenience and durability, key features for frequent travelers. Here's an overview of its main attributes. Expandable polycarbonate hardshell. The suitcase features a robust polycarbonate hardshell, providing excellent protection for your belongings while maintaining a lightweight structure. The expandable feature allows for extra packing space, accommodating more items as needed. Front pocket. One of the standout features is the front pocket, which offers easy access to essential items such as documents, electronics, and other necessities without opening the main compartment. This is particularly useful during airport security checks or quick access while traveling. USB port. The inclusion of a USB port is a modern addition, catering to the needs of travelers who rely on electronic devices. This feature allows you to charge your gadgets on the go, ensuring you stay connected and powered up during your journey. Product 5. Product name Level 8 Hardshell Carry-On Luggage. The Level 8 Hardshell Carry-On Luggage is designed to cater to travelers seeking convenience, durability, and compliance with airline regulations. Here's a detailed look at its key features. Airline approved. The Level 8 carry-on meets the size requirements of most major airlines, ensuring hassle-free travel without the need to check in the luggage. Compact and lightweight. At 20 inches, this luggage is compact, making it ideal for short trips and fitting easily into overhead compartments. Despite its sturdy construction, it is lightweight, reducing the burden on travelers. Durable hardshell. Constructed from high-quality materials, the hardshell provides excellent protection for your belongings. It is designed to withstand the rigors of travel and prevent damage from impacts. Luminous texture design. The suitcase features a unique luminous textured finish, which not only adds a stylish flair but also makes it easy to spot on the luggage carousel.